Hello. You can see me, right? Just behind the old bill here. Right, okay, I just wanted to, let's lift this up again actually. A quick video, we're about to go and fly the Mavic 2 Zoom, and if you look on my handlebar, you can see I've got my the Mavic 2 remote control hooked up to my iPhone 7 Plus, and you know it's not getting in the way of my dash at all. However, any small bump in the road and the thing is rattling like crazy. So the actual remote control isn't attached to the bike at all. It's only attached to the phone, and the phone is attached to the mount on the bike. So it should be interesting. I probably do need to upgrade it to something a bit better, just so it's more sturdy. Right, so we're gonna head out into the countryside where I can do a nice low speed of around about 20 miles an hour, nothing faster, and we're gonna set the Mavic 2 to active track, get it circling me, all that sort of stuff. Because if you haven't seen my first test flight, you know, I did some great footage and nice bit of post-production, but unfortunately the bird flew into the tree, which was not great. Okay, and now it's going to take off. There we go. And we're going to take it back so it can track me. So let's go to active track. We go for profile.